Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about making your Wix website more dynamic and engaging by adding a GIF. Whether you want to spice up your homepage, showcase a product in action, or just bring some personality to your site, adding a GIF is a fantastic way to do that. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to upload and place a GIF on your Wix website, step by step with no confusion. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Wix website design dashboard. This is the central hub where all the magic happens. If you're not already logged in, just enter your credentials and choose the website you want to edit. It might seem obvious, but opening the editor puts you in total control over every look and feel of your site. Now take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find all the building blocks like text, images, buttons, and more. We're focusing on Add Elements today. Go ahead and click on that. This section lets you insert all sorts of features onto your site, so think of it like grabbing new tools from your toolbox. The Add Elements button is usually represented by a plus sign, making it easy to find. From here, select Image. You might see other options like Text Box or Gallery, but we want Image because GIFs work just like static images in Wix. They're considered image files, so this is the right door to go through. Once you click Image, you'll have a few choices, and what we're looking for is the Upload Image option. Clicking Upload Image opens up the Media Manager window. This is like your personal vault for images, videos, and yes, GIFs. Here you'll see an Upload from Computer button. This is the key step, so click that and a regular file selector window will pop up, just like when you attach something to an email. Find your GIF file on your computer. If you haven't already saved your GIF, make sure you grab one beforehand. There are lots of great sites out there with royalty-free GIFs, or you can create your own. Once you've located your GIF file, select it and hit Open. Don't worry if uploading takes a couple of seconds, that's perfectly normal, especially for larger GIFs, since animated images are slightly heftier than standard photos. Wix does a good job handling the file, so you shouldn't run into any issues. If you do get an error, make sure your file is in the GIF format and not another type like JPEG or PNG. Now with the image successfully uploaded, you'll see it appear in your media gallery. Click to select it and then click the Add to Page button. Wix will drop the GIF right onto your canvas. This is the fun part. Now you can drag it around, resize it, and place it exactly where you want. Try to think about how the movement catches a visitor's eye. Maybe you want the GIF near your welcome headline or next to a featured product. Remember, if it looks too big or too small, you can always adjust the dimensions by dragging the corners. And just like that, you're done. Your GIF is now live on your Wix website, ready to grab attention and bring a smile to your visitors. It's that simple. You didn't need any coding, just a couple of clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or ran into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Subscribe so you don't miss more easy tutorials just like this one. Your website creativity is just getting started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.